Number 11, we are going to be figuring out where coordinate D would be located if we rotated 90 degrees clockwise about point A. So I need you guys to remember that on the end of course exam, it is always counterclockwise unless they write the words clockwise. So in this case, we have 90 degrees clockwise. And the point of our rotation is point A. So I'm going to go ahead and put like a dot at point A, and that's going to represent my point of rotation. And here's how you figure out 90 degrees. So go ahead and connect A to D. I'm going to use a dashed line so I don't get it confused with the rest of these. If you want, you could count the slope. So the slope to go from D to A, the slope is a slope of -1/9. So that tells you to go from A to D prime, it's going to have a slope of +9. And the reason why is because when you're rotating 90 degrees, that's going to be perpendicular. Kind of a shortcut way so that you don't have to do this mathematically is you could kind of imagine if this blue line here is my baseline, what would a line look like that's perpendicular to that? Well, a line that's perpendicular to that would look like this, kind of coming up through here. So that point that it's going to be on is this point right here, 1, 9. That will be where my new D prime is. Let's see, another thing you can do is you can say, well, D is at point -9, 1, so D prime is going to be at point 1, 9. What happens is these two switch. Your X and Y coordinates will switch every time you go around 90 degrees. So if you started at 9, 1, you'll switch and go to 1, 9. If we rotated another 90 degrees, we'll be down here at 9, -1. And if we rotated another 90 degrees, we'll be over here at -1, 9. So every time you switch 90 degrees, the X coordinate and the Y coordinate will change places. The signs will change too. You can tell the signs. I usually just tell the signs by which quadrant I'm in.